I survived a lightning strike. Twice. Here's how. I woke up feeling like I'd been hit by a truck, head pounding, heartburn raging, and to top it off, a 2-day-old nacho stuck to my chest. My trailer creaked under the sun's harsh glare, parked out in the Dust Devil Acres lot. Rufus, the dog from across the way, was already barking like the world was ending. Squinting through my bloodshot eyes, I peeled that nacho off my stomach and thought, well, breakfast of champions. I sniffed it and, yeah, I ate it. Still crunchy. What can I say? Desperate times. Getting up was a whole other ordeal. My knees clicked, my back felt like it was made of stone, and my belly, well, let's just say too many beers and not enough exercise had taken their toll. I groaned, hauling myself upright, wondering how I got here.